I want him, and I need him. Someday, someway, whoa, I'll meet him. He'll be kinda shy, real good looking too. And I'll be certain he's my guy by the things he'd like to do. Like walking in the rain, wishing on the stars up above, being so in love. When he's near me, I'll kiss him. When he leaves me, whoa, I'll miss him. Though sometimes we'll fight,